welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the media browser. So let's go up to our window. Let's go to media browser and take a look at this. And you can see that we can look through our favorites. We can look at local drives. We can look at network drives. We can look at Creative Cloud. Okay. And so I have different team projects I can grab from here. Local drives, I have 2 external hard drives, so we'll open up this one just so you can see what I'm talking about. And we can go by list, so I can go through all of my files here. They're organized by number, and I do that on purpose so that it shows in that order based on the name. And so actually we can go high to low or low to high. Okay. Same with this one, and then I can also go to the actual system hard drive, where I'd have to go to users and then select learn tech, and then I can go through all this different stuff to find what I'm looking for. And that's really the media browser. What it does is gives you the ability to look for your files and then bring them in, and then you can bring them into your project panel and then organize them here. Okay, so that is the media browser. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.